Teresa Comey says her mother never liked to be the center of attention.
If she's looking down, she'll be like, Teresa, please stop talking, because she was so private.
But she's speaking about the 89-year-old, the introvert with the heart of an artist, because she died from COVID-19 while at the Lynn Valley Care Center.
That you wouldn't want something like that to happen to anybody that you knew, let alone a person that you loved. Because you're 100% helpless. You're 100% powerless in the situation. The situation is, and you have to navigate it.
But there's a bigger message to share.
To look around and see people not taking it seriously. And until each person is touched themselves by a family member, they can't understand the enormity of this entire situation.
Most of those who have died in Canada have been elderly, largely in their 70s and 80s. At least 15 of the country's 24 fatalities were residents of 3 seniors' care facilities in BC and Quebec. A man in his 60s died in Edmonton, and the youngest known death was an Ontario man in his 50s with an underlying health condition. At least 40 patients are fighting the virus in intensive care units across the country.
It's very dangerous and we don't know how far it can go.
Jyoti Chaudhry's husband, Jay, is one of them. The 52-year-old pastor has viral pneumonia and has been in the hospital in Calgary since Wednesday.
And they tell me, Mom, why you are so stressed out? Why you are so stressed out? Baba is in a good hand.
The entire family has tested positive for the virus, meaning they can't visit him in the hospital.
It puts all this complexity around their passing.
And there won't be a funeral for Teresa Comey's mother, at least not for a few more months.
It feels terrible to mourn somebody in isolation.
That's the added cruelty of the virus, having to stay away when you want to get together the most. Tina Lovegreen, CBC News, North Vancouver, BC.